హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు sakshieducation.com. ఇవాళ నేను ఇన్వెంటివ్ 2024 IIT హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నాను. ఇక్కడ
We are Xterra Robotics incubated at IIT Kanpur, and we have built a legged robot, a robot dog, which can go in any terrain and climb stairs, and it is capable of working in different environments wherein humans can go. You can see the robot, which has capabilities of simple motions, so it is doing a push-up currently, and we are marketing it as a research product, so research platform, which can be used in academia for multiple purposes, be it AI and autonomy applications, locomotion or manipulation capabilities, even for STEM education, and we are looking for industrial collaborations as well. So this can be used in inspection industry, wherein a routine inspection can be done across the industry with a semi-autonomous trajectory, and it can replace humans at hazardous reasons. So yeah, that's it all about the robot.
వాట్స్ ద మెకానిజం?
This robot can, since it has 3 motors at each legs, so it can move its leg in the complete domain space, and it can walk over obstacles, and it can even jump over the obstacles wherein a wheeled robot won't be able to do. So it is capable of moving in every terrain like a human can do, or like a dog can do.